So now, guys, I've got this corner to play with here, and I can make a vertical here. Okay, how many frames? Less than fingers you have in your hand. Four. I want you all to see the four. By the way, guys, if you say 3 or 2 or anything, that's fine. Because I want you to be able to see it. Okay? If you answer something, I know you're watching. Okay? So there's 4 planes. There's the back plane. See? There's the bottom plane, the right plane, and the left plane. One more line, and I have 6 planes. Right now I have 4. One more line, and I have 6 planes. What line is that? Yes?
The line was very bad. Connecting, or no, that line was very bad. Two top ones. Second, two top ones.
Why does you have to make one line?
One line.
One line.
The two dots.
Between these 2 dots?
No, yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. I know. The terminology can be weird. You're absolutely right. Is that where you were going?
Yeah.
Okay, so now listen, if my verticals are vertical, my horizontals are horizontal, and my lines going to my vanishing point are true, that horizontal should line right up with this thing. So here's the test. Beautiful, perfect, lines right up. So I make this horizontal across here with my T-square, and now we have a box in 1-point perspective. I'm going to break up the lines inside so you can see more as being transparent. So, you guys see that? Now we're going to draw more boxes, but when you know how to do that, draw a transparent 1-point perspective box, you can draw a million things in 1-point perspective. Because you can just build from there. You'll see as the lecture progresses, okay? But that is the foundation. If you don't understand that, you will just not be successful with this stuff. And you all can pull this off, so I don't have any doubt about that. So where is this box in relation to eye level? Pardon? Below eye level. Does everybody see that?
You can see the top of it.
Because you can see the top of it, yes. But conversely, because it's below eye level, you can see the top of it, and since you can see the top of it, it's below eye level. So good. This green line, this horizontal line, represents our eye level. And we get some nice sound effects outside.
You said this is, below eye level?
Yeah, because this is eye level. So this is if the viewer is seeing it from here. That's what that green line represents. I said that the most important plane to draw first is what? Bottom plane. Now, that's not as important for a box that's in the sky, unless you want to know exactly where the bottom of the box is. If you're going to draw, sometimes you're going to draw some vehicle flying over a hill here, or you want to start making an airplane or start it out of a box, or whatever it is you want to put in the sky, if you want to know where the bottom of that subject matter is, you should start with the bottom of the box. Okay, but if you don't really care where it is in the sky, it's not as critical. But I'm once again going to draw the bottom of the box. Yeah.
The sky under is community, so what happens?
Above eye level, I'm going to start the same way. I'll make it up here. I could make it directly above this one, which is kind of fun. You can make a box using these same 4 red lines, and go up and make a box directly above it. But I'll just put it wherever. So I'm going to make a couple of lines going to my vanishing point. Right? And those were arbitrarily placed. There's no reason for them to look at those other than I drew them that far apart. Now my horizontals. guys see the beauty of the T-square? So there's the bottom plane of a box that's going to be the sky. Everybody see that? You can imagine like a piece of plywood flying in there, right? It's just a flat plane right now. You guys understand? So what I'm going to do with this box is initially I'm going to make it solid, which means it's going to be opaque. Okay, you can't see through it. And then I'll make it transparent after the fact. The maximum amount of planes you can see on an opaque box, a box that's not transparent, is 3. So you can either, when you got your eye level, this marker fighting it. When you have your eye level established, if you're seeing a box that's right on eye level, you're only going to see the front of it. If you're seeing a box that's to the side of the vanishing point, you're going to see the front and side of it. If you see a box that's either below or above the vanishing point, I didn't draw the vanishing point with this, but I'm doing this to explain to you what planes you see. You see 3 planes.